Happy Friday! I hope everyone's having an awesome day. I'm so happy to see you. I hope you're happy to see me too. Let's get started with calendar time. Okay, so yesterday was Thursday. That means today is Friday! Today is Friday! How exciting! It means tomorrow will be Saturday. I love Saturdays. Okay, so last month was March. That means we are currently in the month of April. We've already done January, February, March. We are in the month of April. Okay, so yesterday's date was April 16th, 2020. So today's date is the 17th. So we've done the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, the 10th, the 11th, the 12th, the 13th, the 14th, 15th, the 16th, and now the 17th. Oh my goodness. April is going by really fast. Okay, guys. Can anyone tell me what the weather is like? I'm going to look it up on my phone. Can you guys look outside your windows and tell me what the weather is like? Oh, the weather will be rainy. We might see some thunderstorms. We will see. So the weather today will be rainy. It might not be raining right now, but it will rain at some point today. Okay, and the temperature will be warm. If it's not warm right now, it will get a little warmer throughout the day. Okay, let's choose a person to dress. Eeny, meeny, miny, and Mo. Alrighty. So remember, guys, we are dressing for warm weather. What sort of bottoms should we wear if it's a little warm outside? We could wear some pants. That's a good idea to wear some pants. What about tops? What sort of top should we wear? A t-shirt. What about shoes? What should we wear? Rain boots? Hmm. We could either wear rain boots or regular tennis shoes. We don't know if it's going to rain in the morning or in the afternoon when exactly it will rain. So, to be safe, we are going to wear rain boots. What about a hat? Do you guys think we might need a hat? A rain hat would be a good idea. What about accessories? Do you guys think we need mittens or gloves or scarves? I think we'll be just fine without those. What about outerwear? In the morning, it might be a little chilly, but it could rain at any point today. So we're going to be safe and we're going to wear a raincoat just in case. Because if we get warm, we can always take off our raincoats. And we're all done dressing our person. So today is Friday, April 17th, 2020, and the weather will be rainy and warm. You guys are all ready for the rest of the day. I'm so excited to see you guys. Have a wonderful weekend and see you guys on Monday. Bye.